Hey guys, today I am in my kitchen and I'm getting ready to clean this tile grout because it's looking pretty disgusting right now. We have kind of red dirt here and it gets tracked in and really discolors the grout lines. So grout cleaning is kind of a never-ending thing, but I wanted to show you really quick what I use to do that. It's super simple. Basically, it is just baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. That is it. So all I do is I mix the two of these together to form a paste. Okay, so you're just gonna take some peroxide and then dump some baking soda in. Stir that up. Not only is this easy, it is really cheap to make. So I almost got this. Got it all over the table too, but you know. About like that. It might still be a little bit watery, but it will work. So I'm just gonna do this small line right here so you can see how well this works. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to apply some of this onto the grout line, and I'm just gonna use my finger and just smear it on there. Like that. And then you're gonna just let this sit for about 10 minutes. Now, if you don't wanna do it this way, which is kind of messy, you can also just take the baking soda and directly sprinkle it onto the grout line. Then you can just spray it with the hydrogen peroxide. Just pour it in a spray bottle and spray the peroxide on top of this. And then again, just let it set for 10 minutes. I've done it both ways. They both work. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna take a grout brush. Just got this at Lowe's. And I'm gonna go ahead and scrub this. And I've just got a little thing of water here that I can rinse my brush off with. I'm gonna take just a damp cloth and I'm gonna wipe this off. But you wanna just go in and clean that residual off. And just like that, it is back to looking like new. I will give you a close-up shot of it. As you can see, it is now back to its original color, which is a light gray, instead of the brown, dingy nastiness over here that you see. So like I said, this works really, really well. It's very cheap to make, and it is, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of work, but cleaning grout is work pretty much regardless of how you do it. So anyway, I've gotta go clean the rest of this floor, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.